Hi everyone, my name is Jenny Day. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are not new. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing, as you can see, but I actually already collapsed the box for this product, or for this item, so I didn't want to take it out just because all of my boxes are in a really tight space. So yeah, this is the dust bag of my item, and I'll just show you guys just so we can start talking about how I got it and the whole process that I went through and why I decided to go this route. So this is the humongous dust bag. I kind of got washed out there. And this is my Neverfull. Oh, this is my Neverfull GM in the monogram print with the beige interior. So that is what that looks like. And I'll go ahead and try and see the date code. It's SD3418. So it was made in 2 weeks, the first week of September, I want to say, or something, I don't know, somewhere around there. So yeah, my Alma BB, I actually got it a week after it was made, or not even a week after. So that's pretty cool. That's a fun story, I guess I could tell. But yeah, anyway, so this is my Neverfull GM, and I do not have a pouch because I wanted to talk to you guys about that actually. I did get this from a reseller, and I guess I can tell you guys why I decided to go that route. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's gonna fall over. So I decided to purchase from a reseller because I didn't want the pouch, first of all, and I figured I don't know what I'm gonna do with that pouch, put receipts in it, what the fuck. I have a designated spot where I put my receipts, so I didn't want that little pouch just for that. I know they say that you can use it as a clutch, or you can actually you can just use it for passports or things like that, but honestly it wasn't realistic for me. I have my AIRBNB one, and I never reach for it. I use my other AIRBNB Neverfull without the pouch, and I just never really find a use for the pouch. So I was like, I really want the monogram GM, but how am I going to find one without the pouch at a much less value? I purchased this for I think it was $1,175, and I went through My Barbie's Closet. I will leave their Instagram right here if you guys are interested. So this was brand new, and I did buy it from them just because I also follow Mirena Fashion and Fashion Lover, I think that's what her Instagram is called, and she has really good Chanel pieces that are pretty rare to find, which is why I follow her, because I did want the Chanel, a bag from the cruise line, but she wasn't able to get it. So anyway, I'm going off on a tangent, but anyway, so My Barbie's Closet had this, and it didn't have the pouch with it, and I thought it was the perfect opportunity for me to pick it up, because I feel like Neverfulls are always getting sold all the time, and I have seen a lot of people do videos on these, and I did a lot of research before I decided to purchase it with the whole vachetta and everything, and honestly, I don't know if I'm going to end up keeping it just because of that. I don't know if I want to baby it, and I don't know if I really actually like the look of the olds, the old dingy worn cowhide leathers. So I honestly am doing this unboxing because I want to show you guys and tell you guys what the process that I went through, but I also want to let you know that I am a little nervous to use this bag. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But anyway, so I went through My Barbie's Closet. They had a payment plan, which basically means that you can pay it within over a certain amount of time. So you can either do 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, or 10 weeks. I opted for the 8-week payment plan just because I didn't want to feel like this was a huge purchase. I wanted to make payments on it, and I wanted to make sure that I wasn't using any credit cards or anything. And I do have bills to pay. I have things to pay for, and I have my cat. She eats really expensive food, so I have to pay for that. And I have my own bills to pay for too. I can't just go out and be like, okay, I'm gonna purchase this bag this week, I'm gonna purchase this one this week. So yeah, so I did do an 8-week payment plan. It was really easy for me. I wasn't really too focused on paying for it. I was just you know what, whatever extra that I do have, I would just go ahead and buy it. And another thing that I also did was on Sephora's website, when they had their 20% off sale, I put a bunch of things in my cart, and I was like, wow, I really want to buy all these things. And then I thought to myself, okay, everything that I have in my cart is comparable to something that I have in my makeup collection. So I'm going to take this amount of money and put it towards the bag. So I did a few large payments on it, and then I just decided to pay it off whenever I decided that I actually wanted it as soon as I could. I don't know if that even made sense, but I hope it did. Yeah. So this is the bag, and it is actually really, really big. I'm really happy that I got it without the pouch, just because before you were able to purchase it without the pouch, but now it comes with it, so that really increased the price by a lot, I feel like. So yeah, it's really big. Mine is made in the, hold on, I don't know if I can show you guys this. There's like a little tab here, it says made in the USA, and then my date code is SD 3418, so 34th week of 2018. So yeah, so that is my my monogram GM Neverfull. I'm really excited to have this, and I've seen how it looks worn, and I'm okay with that, with like the slightly darker patina, but I just feel like right now I'm a little nervous to use it because I just, you know, I don't know, like I feel like everyone is like that though, like they're always scared to use their pieces at first, but once it starts to get a lot of wear and everything out of it, it looks it's really good afterwards. So yeah, I decided to get the monogram one because I do have my AIRBNB Neverfull, and I always complained about how I'm so tired of it. I'm so tired of seeing everybody with it. I remember when I was with Imani in New York, and we had like a girls' day, and I saw, I shit you not, like maybe 7 or 8 people with it in one day, and I've never seen that many in my life. So I was just kind of like really surprised that there were that many. So yeah, this is my Neverfull. I do plan on using it for traveling. I also want to try and use it for work, like in the summer. So I won't be using it anytime soon. I feel like I'm a little nervous to use it. So I'm just going to be using my other bag that I just unboxed. And if you guys want to see that unboxing, I will have it linked up top actually on this side. So yeah, I really like it. I think it looks really nice. And I don't know what I imagined, but I just thought like, I don't know, I just thought the monogram one would look different, but I don't know. I never really see the monogram one in stores. I think that's why I thought it would be different. So the reason I got this bag is because I kept complaining about how I was so tired of my AIRBNB Neverfull, and I am just sick of it. I've had it for about 2 years now, and I'm just kind of over it. I'm over seeing everybody with it, and I know everybody has this one too, don't get me wrong, okay? Don't get me wrong. I know that a lot of people also have this one, but I just feel like this one is really personalized to your own because it looks different, like the patina looks different on everybody, and it really shows how long you've had the bag, so I thought that that was pretty cool. Mine has a slight patina because I did leave it out in the sun, so it's not like stark white. It does have a little bit of color to it. Even then, I'm still a little bit nervous. I do want to use it for traveling actually next week, but I think it's gonna be raining where I'm going, so I don't think I'll be doing that. But anyway, yeah, so I got this bag for traveling, for work maybe, in the summertime. So I'm really happy with it. I just am a little nervous about the patina, and if I do decide that I just really don't want to deal with it, then I will probably just resell it again because I mean it's brand new. It does have a little bit of wrinkling on like the ridges. Can you see that? I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but there is a little bit of wrinkling, and yeah, so I don't really know what's up with that, but I'm very happy with it. It is just as big as my my other Neverfull, so I just really like the size. I feel like the MM hits at like a weird spot for me, so I just really wanted to get this one. And I don't like damiers or print. I feel like I would be scared with color transfer, even though I do wear like colors sometimes. I don't know, I feel like that one you have to be like extra careful, but this one I was really okay with purchasing because I only have my mini pochette in, oh, let me show you guys. I only have my mini pochette in the monogram print, so this is what looks like, literally the exact same color. That's crazy, spot on. So I only have my mini pochette in the monogram print, and I wanted another monogram piece, but I didn't want something that had too much of a shed on it because I didn't want to be too careful. So yeah, I thought Speedy B would be a good idea, but then the strap is like a full leather strap, so I just opted for this one, and I'm really happy with it. I will definitely update you guys on it. I really want to get the Monsterie backpack. I think that's like #1 on my list right now. That and the Saint Laurent tote. So it's not a tote, it's actually like a pretty structured bag. But those are the 2 items that I have on my list right now. The Neverfull GM wasn't really on my list. It was kind of like a spontaneous purchase. I I just got it just to get it, just to see if like I would like it, because I've never seen one in person, like I said, and I just really wanted to get a feel of it. Yeah, I will update you guys and let you guys know whether or not I will be keeping this, and if you guys want to purchase it, you will make my decision a lot easier. So yeah, then I can put that towards the Monsterie backpack, and I would only have to pay like $1,000 extra for it. So yeah, you guys would make my life a lot easier. But honestly, if I don't sell this, or if no one wants it, or if, you know, I just decide, okay, I'm just gonna keep it and travel with it and stuff, then I will. The thing is, my boyfriend really hates anything with the vachetta on it, so he wasn't too happy about the Monsterie backpack, but I feel like that's something that can age with you, and it just looks so nice, and it's so pretty. I love that it has a little bit of structure to it, and I love that it's like mostly canvas and only the straps and the little like buckle part is vachetta. So let me know what you guys think. I know this video is like all over the place, but I just wanted to show you guys my new bag and let you guys know what my purchase was. I know I just did an unboxing, but this is another one. So yeah, this was kind of a gift to myself. I will be filming a what I got myself for Christmas video, and if that's already up, I will probably have it linked up top if you guys are interested. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry if I was a little bit all over the place, like I mentioned. I'm not used to doing these unboxing videos. I just barely started doing them when I got my mini pochette. So yeah, I'm sorry if, like, you know, it's not like a typical organized unboxing video, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I would love to see you join my YouTube family, and I will see you guys next time, hopefully. Bye!